All right, the Canon EOS RP. This is by no means the newest camera on the market, but as an entry-level full-frame option, it's top-notch. Includes a manual, some plastic protective stuff, bubble wrap. This is the battery charger. I believe this uses the 17 batteries. Yeah, LCE17 batteries. Camera strap, EOS RP. Bubble wrap around the camera itself. Now most of these are black. This one arrived in gold, champagne, I forget what color they call it. Has a flip out screen, just like this. Buttons galore. I do really like this in the gold color, that's quite attractive. As you can see, it has no mechanical shutter on it, so anytime the body cap is off, the shutter is exposed. I'm assuming the battery, yeah, already preloaded in this camera. So here we go, Canon battery. Let's see, remote control, mic, headphones, USB, HDMI. Where are the memory cards? They must be in the battery chamber. Yeah, here we go. Memory card is going to be an SD card loaded into the battery chamber just like that. So there we go. And here are some sample photos taken with this.